I'm sure Mom gonna love this. Since Mrs. Clementine is not here, I borrow her stamps. Classic Caillou, we need to talk.
What do you want from me?
I write an apology letter to Mom. Take a look.
Caillou, the letter is totally fake. It doesn't have a stamp on it.
Yes it is. It has a stamp on it.
You don't ever write a mean to Boris. He's a new father after Boris left.
But.
No buts. I will show the letter to Boris. Boris, get over here now.
Yes, Classic Caillou? What's up?
Take a look at this.
You. Why did you write a mean letter to Boris? Why? Just why? Why did you do that?
Because it's totally fake.
How dare you write a mean letter to Boris? Now she is stuck with Doris thanks to you. Now if you...
Boris, I'm going to the bar. Will you like to come?
The bar? Oh yes, I like to go.
Wait, what about me?
Boris, nice car you have there.
Thank you. I brought it from the VYOND city dealership. It has 33 miles per hour.
Did he just bring a new car? Boris? Where are you going with Boris and Classic Caillou?
We're going to the bar to meet up with Tories.
Oh, can I come?
No, you can't come with us because you write a fake letter to Boris. I'm sorry. You have to stay home with your siblings.
Come on, just let me go with you.
Boris, just get in the car already.
Well, I got to go. Have fun with your siblings.
Boris, wait. Boris, I'm really sorry for writing a fake letter to Boris.
Well, Caillou, you should never write bad things to anyone. What if I destroy your Xbox 360? Do I make myself clear?
Boris, trust me. You are my father in the whole world. I will never do such a thing. Give me another chance. Give me another chance. Give me another chance. Give me another chance.
Boris, start the engine already.
Wait. Well, unless they gonna be gone for 7 hours.
Kai, are you okay?
Boris just left me behind. He wants to take me to the bar, but no, he went with Classic Caillou and Boris.
Okay, let's go inside.